Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix GCash. Your account is already registered to another phone error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the GCash application on your old mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, you will be prompted to sign into your account. Make sure to use the old device on which you have your account logged in. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner and the profile page will be displayed. Now, tap on the settings embed and your account settings will open up. Inside it, access the Account Secure feature and all of the devices your account is currently logged in will be displayed. Here, tap on the Unlink Device button, then try signing in again and your problem will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix GCash. Your account is already registered to another phone error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.